I wanted to show you how to do aerial photography, or at least show you the settings that I use for my camera. So I would like at least 1/1000th of a shutter speed. To get to that shutter speed, I need sometimes to pump up the ISO. When we're shooting straight down, like abstracts of rivers or motifs on the ground, medium aperture like 4.5, 5.6, 6.3 or so would be prime. So I use continuous high for continuous shooting. And of course you need to have a high-speed SD card.